Imagine a world where digital information seamlessly blends with reality. Augmented reality, AR glasses are making this possible. But hold up, there are plenty of myths floating around. Let's bust some common misconceptions and uncover the real magic of AR glasses. Myth: AR glasses are just for gamers. Reality: sure, gamers love them, but AR glasses are revolutionizing industries like healthcare, education, engineering, and more. Surgeons use them for precision, while architects design with unprecedented accuracy. AR is for everyone. Myth: AR glasses will replace smartphones. Reality: think of them as the perfect partners. AR glasses provide hands-free access to information, but still rely on smartphones for processing power and connectivity. Teamwork makes the dream work. Myth: only professionals can afford AR glasses. Reality: not anymore. Affordable options from brands like Nreal and Rokid are bringing AR to everyday consumers for entertainment, navigation, and light productivity. Myth: AR glasses are heavy and awkward. Reality: forget the bulky past. Today's AR glasses are lightweight, stylish, and as comfy as your favorite pair of sunglasses. Myth: AR glasses are always watching you. Reality: nope. Most AR glasses require you to activate recording. Plus, many models include visible indicators to respect privacy. Myth: AR glasses die quickly. Reality: battery life is improving with every generation, thanks to smarter designs and efficient power usage. No need to stress. Myth: AR glasses will replace all screens. Reality: they're great for virtual displays, but physical screens still win in resolution, brightness, and field of view. AR complements, not replaces. Myth: AR and VR are the same. Reality: AR enhances your real world. VR immerses you in a completely digital one. Two technologies, two unique experiences. Myth: no internet, no AR glasses. Reality: while the internet boosts functionality, many glasses work offline with local apps and preloaded content. Myth, AR glasses are bad for privacy. Reality, privacy concerns are valid, but modern AR glasses come with safeguards like hardware indicators, user controls, and clear policies. AR glasses are shaping the future, blending reality and innovation in ways we never imagined. The key is separating fact from fiction. Are you ready to embrace the augmented world? Explore the possibilities. The future is here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.